Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Today is Monday, the 23rd of March, and we're going to begin the day with an English lesson. Okay, after this, you're going to have a math lesson where I'm also sending you a video for that, and in the end, a science lesson. Okay, so today in English, we're going to do a few different things. Okay. Today's Monday, so it's the day to introduce your spelling log, and also today you're going to learn a new sound. But before we move on to anything new, I would like us to together remind ourselves of the last sound we learned. So let me show you the picture. Do you remember which sound this is? This is sound E, as in ek, ek, yeah, ek. So let's hear the song. Get your hands ready. Sorry.
Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Crack the egg like this.
And one more time.
Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Crack the egg like this.
Okay, so here it is behind me, yeah? All the sounds and letters we've learned so far. Now please take a look here. What we have here is our weekly spelling log. So in this spelling log, you're going to have quite a lot of sound E, as in, I'm just going to underline it red. E, E, E. Well, that's it, where it makes the sound. Here is just a letter, but this is a tricky word, and I'll explain later why I say that. Okay, so let's first try to read the first word. It has three letters, 1, 2, 3, but two sounds, two things you can hear. E and G. Yeah, under every sound that you can hear, I'm going to draw a button. Okay, so we have egg, egg. Okay, next is e, n, d, end, end, like the end of a story. Okay. Sorry, buttons. S, a, k, s, a, k, sack, sack. For example, Santa Claus brings presents very often in a big sack. Yeah. Next is d, e, n, d, e, n. Den. Den is well, bears live in a den, I guess. Next here we have a bit longer word. So look at this. This is a letter we haven't learned already. It's the sound I, s, t, feast, fist. B, I, n, b, in, bin, as in rubbish bin. Up, hop. And the last word is a tricky word. Now, I don't know if you remember. I think I've told you already what a tricky word is. A tricky word, we call it like that because it's trying to trick us. It looks like something, but it sounds completely different. So when you go here, letter by letter, and you try to say the sounds that usually accompany those letters, one, one. But this is not one. This is word one, okay? As in number one. This is how we write it, one. So what to do with tricky words? Well, with tricky words, we can't try to read them. We need to memorize what they look like. So your task is going to be that you need to memorize it. When you see these three letters, on and e, the word that you actually have in front of you is the word one. Okay? So, one more time, I'm just going to read the words for you. Okay? Not sounding out, just going to tell you the words. Egg, and, sack, then, fist, bin, hop, one. Okay? Today I'm sending your spelling logs, so please print them, or if you have a piece of paper, you can use a notebook or anywhere. Just please copy these words once a day and practice reading them, okay? Now, we have this done. I said we're going to do a new sound today. Now, first, let me show you the card, because maybe you already know. Do you know which sound this is? So let me show you the picture. This is a picture of a hen. Yeah, hen starts with the sound. So let's hear the story about sound h. Okay, can you see this? Yeah. So here, what can you see? It's a lovely little hill, I would say. And in this hill, you have children running and jumping, hopping up and down. They're very excited to be outside in the sun, running freely. But sometimes, after they've been hopping for a very long time, they start to lose their breath a little bit. And they do something like this. So that is our sound for today. Okay? So the action is that you need to put your hand in front of your mouth, as if you're a little bit short of breath, and you say, now please try to do it together with me. And one more time. Okay, ready to hear the song? Okay, let's hear it one more time.
I like to hop,
Hop, hop, up and down.
I like to hop,
Hop, hop,
all around.
I
like to hop,
hop, hop,
up and down.
Okay, so that was the sound h. Let's see where we can find this sound, which letters in. I'll see you in a second.